Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the February Bellabox. So on this box, it says there's a big something something inside. So I'm going to assume the blue box is not in here because there's a full-size product that is just way too big to fit in the box. Fingers crossed that's the case, but let's jump into it. And I think I was right. So because it is February and Valentine's Day has just come and gone, the theme is loved up. This would be a lot greater if it was delivered before Valentine's Day, but what you gonna do? I'm not loved up, but you know, let's jump into it anyway. The first product is the reason we do not have the blue box this month, and it is the Original Source Moisturising Shower Milk. I have received one of these in a previous box and I did like it. I think it was like a watermelon one. But yeah, these are not very expensive. They are $4 at the supermarket, so I know it's a full-size product and that's great. However, a product that's only worth $4 is a little disappointing. I'd rather something worth my while, considering I'm paying like $17.95 for this. But yeah, the flavour I got is green banana and bamboo milk. It has an interesting smell, so it's not a bad smell, but I'm interested to see how that goes. I'll pop that one in the shower. The next product is a Roche-Posay product. It is a foaming gel. I've received this before. Again, it is for oily, sensitive skin. I am a very dry skin person, so again, this, like, I think I passed the last one I got on because I don't have oily skin. It's not good for me. It's going to strip me of oils, which I need. So, not off to a very good start, Bellabox. I'm sorry. Next, we have this Palmer's Oil Cocoa Butter dropper sample. Again, I've received this in a box before. I didn't like it that much. I didn't use it. I know facial oil would be good for dry skin, but I didn't like it that much. So, I never received it before, so I also have a HelloFresh voucher. I've received one of these before. I didn't use it, and I'm not going to use this one. Yeah. Next, I have this sachet from Lavera Firming Day Cream. I will use it. It's a moisturizer sachet. It's the bonus for the month, so that's expected. So the first great product is a sachet. Yay. Next is a Luiere Bio-Cellulose sheet mask. We receive sheet masks quite often. I will definitely add it to my stash. I'm interested to see how it works, but I got so many of these that like I don't get through them all. And the last product in the box is something I'm actually excited about. It's a makeup product. It is the Manna Kadar something, I'm not sure. It's a 3-in-1 highlighter, blush and shadow. So at least it's multi-use, and if it doesn't work for me one way, it might work for me in another way. So that's what it looks like. It is in the shade Fantasy. It's a screw top product. It looks like that. It's very smooth. I'll give you that. That's what it looks like on the finger there. And it does swatch quite well. So I'm not sure I would use it as a blush. It's quite shimmery and I don't think it's a bit dark to be used as a highlighter, but as a single shadow, I think that's actually really pretty, and I would definitely get some use out of that. So yeah, I'm very excited to have that one, and it is $19. So this kind of makes the box for me. I've basically just bought this because everything else isn't very exciting to me at all. But yeah, that's everything in the box this month. I have to say it was a very disappointing box. Yes, we got a full-size product, but that full-size product is only $4. I can afford to buy it myself if I actually wanted it. It's not, which I guess is good because it's available to me and it's cheap, so if I do like it, but at the same time, this shouldn't be like a hero product for the box. It's $4. Like, I want to try things that I haven't tried before. I got these two things that I have tried in previous boxes and I didn't like them, and they're not good for my skin type. Even though I've told you my skin type in the little like survey that you have to tell it about yourself, so you get the certain products that they send based on that survey. I have told you that I have dry skin. I've told you this, like, I'm sick of these little samples of products that I can't use, or I don't want to use, or I didn't like because I've already used them before. Send me something new, you know. The anti-aging mask, I would say it's more of a positive than a negative to receive it. At least I'm not getting double ups of sheet masks that I keep getting, but at the same time, like another sheet mask, really, I feel like I get one in every box. But yeah, thank God for the makeup product, otherwise this box would have been a 100% fail. But yeah, let me know what you guys got in your box this month, and make sure you like and subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you in the next one. See you guys.